My three favorite things, it would have to be the way it feels like home whenever, even if though you're not at home, the fact that I can have rooms with my friends, and the fact that the staff has been so good to me ever since came here.
And I want to talk to y'all a little bit about my favorite things about living here at Bosque. I'm a current resident and I've lived here for about 2 years now. My favorite thing is the culture here. I walk into the office, if I have an issue or a package, they're always immediately helping me and telling me about events I can come to with prizes and discounts on rent, so I always feel welcome when I walk in. The second thing that I love is the pool here. The pool is awesome and it's a great way to meet new people. We just got some new furniture and it is going to be amazing when the weather gets warmer. The third thing that I love is the convenience close to campus. We are always able to have a parking spot indefinitely. There's no stress with that. And I'm able to roll out of bed with 10 minutes to spare if I'm running late for class. And I am always, always, always able to get a parking spot. I'm gonna stress that because parking is an issue on campus and it's never an issue here at Bosque. Thank y'all.
Favorite things about Bosque is the parking garage, the location, how close it is to campus, and the people that work here. Their service is absolutely amazing.